Welcome to today's review on the Singer C7250 computerized sewing and quilting machine. This sewing machine is a truly versatile and reliable companion for beginners and experienced sewists alike, offering convenience, functionality, and creative freedom in one compact design. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this sewing machine at the best price in the market. The Singer C7250 arrives pre-threaded, making it easy to start your projects immediately, and its user-friendly LCD screen allows you to select stitches, adjust settings, and preview your design effortlessly. The spacious sewing area of 6.4 inches wide and 4.4 inches high gives ample room for large quilts, layered fabrics, or intricate patterns without feeling cramped or limited in scope. One of the standout features is its 417 stitch applications covering basic decorative stretch stitches and built-in lettering, which means you can personalize any project from home decor to clothing with unique designs and monograms. The 8 one-step buttonhole styles allow you to create perfect buttonholes in seconds, saving time and reducing frustration often experienced with manual buttonholes. Speed and precision are in your control thanks to adjustable speed settings and the start-stop button that lets you sew without the foot pedal, making quilting, applique, and top stitching easier than ever. The sturdy metal frame ensures durability and stability during long sewing sessions while preventing wobbling, which is especially important for heavy fabrics or multiple layers. This machine comes with an extensive accessory kit including 10 specialized presser feet, an extension table, a seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, and all the extras you need to handle nearly any sewing task from simple repairs to advanced projects. Users report that the touch button stitch selection is intuitive and reduces time spent adjusting settings while maintaining accuracy for detailed work. Beginners will appreciate how accessible the interface is, while experienced sewists will value the creative options and professional results possible with this machine. Some may find the variety of stitches overwhelming at first, but with practice the flexibility becomes a major advantage and allows for experimentation and learning new techniques. Quilters will benefit from the programmable needle up and down feature, as it makes pivoting corners and detailed work more precise while controlling the fabric effortlessly. While no machine is perfect, some users note that heavier fabrics require slow stitching for best results and occasional adjustments to tension are needed for specialty threads, but these are minor considerations compared to the overall capability and reliability of the Singer C7250. Whether you are creating garments, home decor, quilts, or personalized gifts, this sewing machine can handle projects of varying complexity with ease and elegance. The extension table provides additional workspace, which is excellent for quilting or large fabric pieces while keeping everything stable and even. Overall, this machine offers a combination of practicality, style, and advanced features that make it a strong choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality sewing machine without unnecessary complications. Its portability at 14 pounds and dimensions of 14 by 21 by 11 inches make it easy to store or move between workspaces, and the corded electric power source ensures consistent stitching performance throughout any project. The included accessory kit eliminates the need for extra purchases immediately, making it cost-effective and convenient for daily use. With a balance of automated features, manual control options, and an extensive stitch library, you can accomplish almost any sewing task efficiently and creatively. The Singer C7250 provides the perfect blend of beginner-friendly guidance and professional-grade performance, giving you confidence in every stitch and project. By clicking the link in description below, you can secure this sewing machine at a great price and begin creating personalized projects that reflect your unique style and creativity today. Its versatility, reliability, and thoughtful design make it one of the most highly recommended machines for anyone serious about sewing and quilting.